Good afternoon, AMH and TETAE. Oh my. Today we're doing a lovely challenge. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. It's the handcuff challenge. If you don't know what it is, you are dumb. No, I'm just kidding. It's where you are handcuffed to each other, and they usually have like a time limit, but we're just gonna do it in the store and see how many looks we get from people. And it's also just a challenge, just to do for fun for you guys. Also, put in some ideas in the comments on here and on Instagram, because we need some ideas for some stuff to do. Also, we'll put a link in the description of Hodge and Podge. It's a detective kind of theme to it. You can go and check it out. It's actually at Bryce Blevins.
But the link will be in the description to watch it, and a link in the description for our Instagram.
And Instagram. We're going to be doing 4 parts. One part is the intro. Second part is going to be on the way there. Third is when we are there, and the fourth is just to wrap it all up. I hope you guys enjoy. This should be fun. I'm gonna love this. I think you're gonna love it too, right? It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Gonna have fun with this. Try not to get all kinds of stairs.
Yeah. We already got one walking in Walmart. They were like laughing and smiling at us, and then some kids just stared at us and then like walked away.
Yep. Fun stuff. But yeah. So we'll see you on part 2. Like and subscribe. You know the drill, y'all. And we'll see you in the car.